This is an 8K spy alert video on Laredo Oil, symbol LRDC. Now we got the alert this morning. We got an email alert at 3:04 our time Pacific and 06:04 New York time before the market, and it was titled The Acquisition. So here's your alert, so let's go look at it. This doesn't work on this browser. I already brought it up. So here's the 8K on OTC markets. We don't have to go to the SEC site. We could, but they got it right here. So they got this 8K. So this came out pre-market, and what does it say? What they got is participation agreement, and we're an accredited investor. Certain accredited investors gave them $2 million, okay, to fund the drilling of a development well and the acquisition of certain oil and gas leases, okay. Now, when you get an oil and gas lease, you get money right away. You know, you start getting the revenue from this. So, we got two things here. We got to develop an oil well and oil and gas leases. I know a guy that has a bunch of these, and he makes pretty good money. So what that did is it made her jump this morning, but it took a while. So if we look at the daily chart, see, she opened at 21 here, okay, which is where she closed the day before. But she stayed here, and not too many people clocked it, so 21s were available, okay. And then she popped, and went all the way up to 27 and closed at 25. You know, a nice 20% gain for the day. So this thing has possibilities to go further, I believe, but we'll see what happens tomorrow. But I just wanted to illustrate this 8K SPY and how, you know, the alert works. So look at this drag ratio. That's nice. 4.88 drag ratio, which means she is almost 5 times easier for her to go up than down. She doesn't really trade a lot, but anyway, very interesting little company. You know, they keep pushing EV, but you know what? We're gonna have oil and gas for a long time to come, baby. Especially if the Mid East blows up, oil will go through the roof. And you know, there's a lot of bullshit going on there. That oil could be disrupted very easily. We are already facing some economic hardship from, you know, the Houthis. Those guys are crazy, man. I kind of like them. They closed the Red Sea, or at least knocked the shipping way down. All the ships are going around Africa now. You know, these Houthis, all they really want is for Israel to stop, you know, killing all the Palestinians in Gaza. That's all they want. They want to stop the genocide. And I guess now we're going to bomb them, so go figure. So, yeah, oil could blow up. In fact, BNO, let's look at BNO real quick. I just punched it in down here, punched in BNO. And that's an oil, Brent oil fund. So look how that's going. That baby's on her way up. I've actually got some options on this. So 27, 27, 28, 28, 29. Look at this chart. Let's push the chart button. Stock charts. Come on, stock charts. And we get a chart to pop up. Yeah, look at this, guys. Oil is on the way up. So if oil goes up, all the United States oil companies are going to go up with it. So this LRDC Laredo Oil, I like the name, could do really good. Okay, that's it. Have a nice rest of the evening and make money tomorrow. Everybody that tries DDAmanda absolutely loves her. These are all unsolicited, by the way. We didn't even ask people. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. So worth it. Probably made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Having everything I need to research on one page is definite time saver. Single day, 1525 profit. 15K on my first DD. Look at this guy. I don't know what to think about this one, man. This guy says he made 30 million. Read this shit. I don't know. He sounds kind of legit. I fucking love DDAmanda. Your program is the best tool I've ever used in the last 21 years. It just goes on and on. Okay, if you trade stocks, or if you're even thinking about trading stocks, this is for you guys. This is what you need. This is DDAmanda. It's the #1 stock screener and scanner that's out there. Um, and it uses both user input and AI to find and research winning stocks. And this is, it says right here, easy enough to use by total beginners. There's really no learning curve at all. You can be finding stocks within about 5 minutes after you log in. And it also has a lot of advanced features that are used by professional traders. Our mission is to help you make money by investing in stocks. That's the bottom line. That's what you want from something like this, Now, I use this all the time, and I've found some amazing runners. You've got here, look at this. They give you 1 hour of free one-on-one training and instant support. Having good support on a program is just so critical, I mean, here's their phone number right here. You can just call and text. They've got some testimonials here. I want to show you these because they're pretty amazing. I mean, look at this. This is what people think of her. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. This guy made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Everything I need to research. I wasn't even in Amanda one week, and he made 10,000 bucks. So these testimonials, it just goes on and on here. So anyway, they've got if you want to try, look at all these features. Dollars traded, 7MA crossovers, all sorts of stuff. But they've got an $8 a day trial subscription, so you can check her out and see if you like her. And some other subscription levels here. Anyway, I highly recommend this, guys, and do check it out and make some money.